Guess what?
What?
Daddy sent an early Christmas present for you. Wait. And he wanted to make sure that, Vinci, come. Sit. He wanted to make sure that you got to open it up early as an early Christmas present from Daddy. Are you so excited? There you go.
Vinci, come. It's a dress. For the Christmas program?
I think so. Look at this. Do you like it?
Is it for the Christmas program?
Yeah. You got a new dress for the Christmas program? Are you so excited?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can you take this off? Now she has to try it.
What do you think? You like that dress?
Yeah. There's a bow in the front and the back, Mama.
There's 2 bows. Is that beautiful?
Mommy, where is the front? Oh, right here?
Yeah. Do you think you're going to be so pretty in it?
Yeah.
Do you think it'll fit? Hold on. We got to try it on before. You want to try it on quick?
Yeah, Steve.
No, whip them off quick. You can leave your pants off. Just take your shirt off. You can leave your pants on. Put it on over here.
You need to wear it? I like this dress, Mommy.
I think it's going to be beautiful.
Hey, Mom, put your headband on.
Okay.
Mom?
Oh my goodness. Did you know? Let me see.
Mom?
Here, let me see the headband for you really quick. Ready? Okay, push your hair back. Let's do your bangs here.
Let's do this.
Okay, but we're gonna want your hair back like that. Okay, look at that.
See if it's a spinning dress.
Is it a spinning dress?
Ooh.
Oh, it's gorgeous. What do you think?
Spin. Mommy, it doesn't spin that.
It kind of does.
Spin again.
Oh no, it's a spinner.
Oh, that's definitely a spinner. What? No. Hey, Mom.
What do you think?
Here, what do you want to say to Daddy?
I love you, Daddy. Thank you for this dress.
Do you like the dress?
It's perfect,
I like
isn't
the
it?
dress, Daddy.
Okay,